Hey guys, welcome back to Kiera B Harris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today is going to be a super exciting video because I am going to be dyeing my hair today. I played around with temporary color and I end up liking it. I have never been someone who dyes their hair. I have always kind of rocked my hair jet black, but who knows, the way I felt yesterday, maybe just changing a little bit of something might be what I need to, you know, start feeling myself again. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I'm super excited. The color that I'm going to be using is this bright Auburn. I know this kind of going all the way out there, but it's either you gonna do it or you ain't gonna do it. And I feel like, you know, I'd rather go all the way the color that, you know, I want. And you know, if I don't like it, I can always go back black. So I'm going to be using this color by Revlon and bright Auburn. My hair is jet black, so I doubt that it will be extremely bright, but we're gonna see. And I'm gonna stop talking before I talk myself out of it and just kind of go for it. Like I said, I've always kind of got the color conditioner. I've always kind of liked color. I just never did color on myself because I just, you know, I'm just always been, you know, a jet black type person. But I feel like I just need to go for it and make a change and, you know, not second guess myself on a lot of things. Because I will actually, when we was in Huntsville, I actually went to the hair salon for a consultation about getting my hair dyed. And then, you know, a few days later I contacted her and was like, yeah, I changed my mind. Because I'm just, I don't know, like I get in my own head a lot with a lot of stuff. But like I said, y'all, I'm just about to go for it. I'm 31. In 2 months, not 2 months, yeah, 2 months, because it's November, I will be 32. And yeah, I'm just ready to live my life to the fullest. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is go around my perimeter with some Vaseline, so I don't stain my skin. Do this, y'all. So I'm just gonna start at the tips. And work my way back. I did get two box colors.
I'll take a yellow sip, cause I'm trying to have a better day. Ain't gonna get delirious, so just sit here by the bay. Might take a bigger sip, starting to feel okay. I think the party's getting serious, so all the other things can wait. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Done with my second drink, getting a little tipsy. Ain't gonna get delirious, so party hard till I'm 60. All the other things can wait. All the other things can wait. Well, I took too many sips. I mean, what exactly is too many? As long as I'm walking, I'm okay. I'll feel better anyway. Forgot about my problems, but how am I gonna?
I don't know if this actually is going to take because my hair is jet black, but we'll see.
I get home, I spend all my money and drinks in our own. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. All the other things can wait. Oh, all the making way.
So it is 4:16. I'm about to get ready to wash the color out. This is what my hair is looking like. Yeah, so we gonna see what it looks like after I wash it out. So the first try was a fail, and I had to run to Sally's and pick up some stuff because it did not turn out right. So I went and got a 30 volume developer with quick white. I got a mixing bowl and this. So I'm glad I got two because it did turn out right. Then I just got this to put the oil in for the hot oil treatment. But I got that because it didn't turn out right. I'm gonna show you guys what my hair look like. Please don't laugh, but
oh hell no.
It look a hot mess, but it's okay. We're gonna get it together. Like, look at this, y'all. And another box left, and I'm just going to mix this. So I can lift my hair, because I'm gonna get this right, okay? I'm gonna get it right. So I'm just mixing this in. And I'm going to mix it. And the lady in Sally's like helped me, y'all, because I did not know. But her hair was really pretty, and she said she dyes her hair herself. So I asked her what I need. I showed her my hair and was like, look, how do I fix this? And this is what she told me I needed to get. And yeah, so we're gonna see. She did say you don't want any lumps in your stuff, so I'm trying to get it out. She said that on the bottle it say leave it in for 45 minutes, but she said she leave hers in for 25 minutes. So I'm just gonna keep an eye out on it and go from there. I'm not really gonna touch my root area because it did change. I'm just gonna touch like where it's still black and then go from there. Vaseline around my edges. I need to apply it like not really on the hair, because like some of my edges didn't take, and I believe because I have Vaseline on it. So see, this is why they say go to a professional, but I don't go to get my hair done. I used to do everything at home, okay? So we're gonna see. Oh, the gloves.
转心作弊。
How it looks. Oh my gosh, it still got on some of my root. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I like it though. It still got on my root, which I was trying to avoid. Yeah. Turn around.
现在做不长是会只专心作弊。
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So I went with a light Auburn color. I always wanted to try this color, so I was like, why not? I love the way that it looks. I did retwist my hair. I ended up retwisting my hair. I just did some rope twists. And what I love about having short hair and my ends are still being curled, it looked like I just did some little kinky twists on my hair. I didn't have to put rubber bands at the end of them. All I did was twist it up, so when I take it out it'll be like crinkly. But let me show you guys. I'm gonna get up closer. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my hair. Okay, so that's what my color turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out really cute. I think it complements my skin tone very well. I don't know, y'all, like I just absolutely love it. I'm so glad I didn't give up when it didn't turn. I'm glad that I, you know, went forward and continued to push through. Y'all, I have never like colored my hair like this before. As far as like my whole head, like I have never done this before, so this is different. It is new. I feel good. I feel like shit. I feel like Kiara got her groove back. Okay, like I feel good. This is definitely what I needed. I just needed a change, and I love the way it turned out. Super cute. But like I said, y'all, I did just end up doing some twists. Now I do plan on still interlocking my hair, but I just wanted that fresh look with having a new color, so I did retwist my locks. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment if you guys feeling the new color, because I really like it. Like, I think I'm going to have this color for a while. Yeah, I love this. This is super cute. Like, it literally, I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice. Like, I really don't. Like, I just love the way it looks right now. But I don't know. Y'all comment down below if you like this color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open.